Thank you for joining me in this video. So we're going to look at what comes in the box for the TR535N, so you know exactly what to look for in your package. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing. I've already just cut this open, but I have not taken anything out, so this will be the first time viewing it. You have a quick guide here. This is your pattern for mounting this if you want to do a ceiling mount. Okay, so let's get right to the important stuff here. Here's your camera. I'm going to put this on the side here. It is a fairly large camera, so here you go. The quick unboxing. Be sure to remove all the tape before you plug it in and start it up, so it'll be able to do all the rotation. There we have it. It's your dual lens. Of course, you have your lens down here and your PTZ lens right up here. So you've got the cover. On the back of your TR535N, you have a number of input-output ports. So we have your HDMI 1, HDMI 2. You also have your 3D SDI connection here. You have a USB 3.0 port, and you have your PoE++. And then you have your DC 12-volt power connection. And then up the top here, you have your control ports, your RS-232 and your RS-422. And then we have a microphone in jack, and we have a line input jack. There you have it on the back. Let's take a quick look at all the pieces individually. And what you want to do is make sure that you use your quick guide as a guide to make sure that you have all the pieces necessary. So we have your power cable, you have your power brick, you have your in and out connections for your RS-232, you have an adapter right here, you have your remote control, you have your top and bottom plates for the ceiling mount. One will go to your the bottom of your camera, and then the other will go to the ceiling. And then you also have, as this says, it is a cable fixing plate. So that's what these are. You have all your little screws that you need for mounting, and you have little zip ties so you can do some cable management. And that should be it. So everything is here. Once again, make sure that you check that all the parts, all the pieces are here together. And that's it. So it's very simple. Everything's all laid out for you. Everything's packaged very nice. If you have any questions or comment, please put those in the comments below, and we'll try to get to you as soon as we can. Thanks for watching.